In this lesson, we're going to learn how to install MySQL. On our server, you run yum install MySQL-server. And same thing applies, choose Y for yes, hit enter. And you see this is installing and has all of those packages. And yes, so now our install is complete. And to start up MySQL, you could and even before doing that, we want to make sure our installation is secure, so we can run MySQL_secure installation, and it's going to ask you for a password for root. In actual sense, before we do that, we have to make sure our MySQL server is running. So let's go ahead and start that up. Type systemctl start MySQL D. Right. So once that is done and MySQL is running, we can go back. We could do a PS actually in grep for MySQL to make sure it's running, and then we can go ahead and run our MySQL_secure installation again. So this time it's going to ask you a bunch of questions. In this case, if you want to validate your password by choosing the password mode you want to use, choose Y for yes. In this case, it has low password strength, medium, and strong, and we could choose medium. In this case, which I choose, and then we could type in a password. It's going to ask you to type in that same password again, and then our next thing is it's going to ask you to confirm the password, and you choose yes. And it's going to ask you if you want to remove the anonymous user that comes by default with MySQL. You can choose yes for that, and you can also disallow root login from remote, and then it asks you to reload the privileges. So choose yes for that too, and we are all done, and we have MySQL up and running. So in this lesson, we learned how to install MySQL by running yum install MySQL-server, and then we started it up by running systemctl start MySQL D, and then we secured MySQL by running MySQL_secure installation. Alright, that concludes this lesson. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the next.